Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set battery percentage near battery icon in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. See battery icon here in the status bar. There is no battery percentage is showing. Okay, if you would like to show battery percentage near this battery icon, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings here. Then go to display and brightness, and here go to status bar and just turn on this button battery percentage. Now battery percentage will be showing near battery icon here. See here, battery percentage is showing. Okay, if you would like to turn off or hide battery percentage, just turn off this button behind, and battery percentage will be removed from status bar area near battery icon. Okay, so in this way you can easily set battery percentage near battery icon in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.